We got everything opened. We did. And let me tell you, my first impressions of the Physician Formula, I'm like smelling and I'm like, oh wow, something smells. These smell fantastic. I didn't know they had a scent. They smell so pretty. They smell like a rose. Nobody told me that. And I was like, oh my God, something smells so good. These smell so good. I'm not gonna start with that one though. I'm actually gonna start with this Hard Candy palette because I'm just like, I don't think I'm gonna like it. I have some Hard Candy stuff and I kind of like it, but I've never been like, wow, Hard Candy's the bomb.com. I've never said that. So this brush is kind of nice though. It's kind of nice. So we're gonna try this first color. I'm gonna just I really want to get it on there because it actually picked up a lot. I'm interested. I'm very interested. And I'm just gonna rub it on. Okay, I mean, no, like not really. You see it, right? But I mean, maybe it's a highlighter that you can build. Like this is actually more of a bronzer to me. Yeah, you definitely have to build on this sucker. Like, where is it? Why? Tati, why? Tati, why did you lie to me? What? Where? Like, that's not gonna work for me. Okay, we're gonna get, oh my God. Do you? Listen, America. Is it an instrument? So I just circled, wait, this watch. Right? And that's what came off my finger. Like, that looks good. Okay, so that color's better. That color is, you know what I think? That, it's right there. I don't love it. I don't, like, you can't even, and the texture, it's like I really put that on there, like really hard. Yeah, I don't, these are kind of like a bronzer. Are these like a bronzer? Baked highlighting trio. I don't think I like any of those. You cannot, like, the deepest one, the last one, you can see, but I think it's just, like, what? I mean, you can see it a little bit, like, and I'm doing it this way because this is my Tarte highlighter right there. Do you see? Tati lied to me. That was just, I think I want to just cry. I don't, like, that was not pleasant. The texture is like a rock. Like, do you want to put a rock on your face? Yeah, I might return that if I can. That was not, and that was like 13, I don't even want to talk about it. That was not, oh my God, I'm just not okay. Not okay. Anyways, we're gonna use this, we're gonna use this brush and see, like, what? Sorry, I think highlight came off of my brush when I did that. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild. Right there, this is the Botanic Dream, and it gives a lot of promise. We're gonna just go in, we're gonna do a little swippy dippy dash there. I can't really see it on the brush. And let's just work it in. Okay, it's pretty. You can't see anything in this light. I don't know if it's like my camera. Okay, this is gorge. I'm applying it, and I'm applying it on my hand. This is beautiful. This was $4. And I love highlight, and this is a build. So you have to really build this highlight up, but girl, do you see how pretty that is? That is just bae. That is bae. That is bae. That is in $4. That Hard Candy thing, that was, maybe I did it wrong, but girl, I was not feeling that. I was not having that, Tati. That was not okay. Okay, at all. Okay, now we're gonna try the Master Chrome well, I keep calling it Master-Chrome, but it's Master-Holographic. Holographic. And it was kind of like, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful color. So again, I'm just gonna kind of take my brush in there, try and pick it up. I kind of got a lot. Oh yeah, I picked up a lot. Oops. Oops. Oh, there's pink highlight all over my iPad. This, I might give it to him. This is gonna be rock solid right there. Oh, no, we're not. Wow, that was not exciting. This is a glittery, this is like, this, maybe it's the brush. This is glittery. It's a glitter highlight. And I don't like glitter highlights. So that's that. It is pretty though. It's right there on the end by my thumb. Right there, if you can see it. It's a really light pink. I don't like it as much as the Wet n Wild though, at all, by any means. I can't say I'm obsessed. I'm gonna try it to put it, I have glitter all over my iPad. I'm gonna try it with, oh, you guys, I just bought this. What? Like, do you think I can return that? What kind of crap? The whole thing is like out. Oh no, I'm so mad. And it wasn't even a good highlight. Like, not, oh my god. This is very bad. This is very bad. This is not going how I wanted any of this. I was so excited. Okay, here's the unicorn one. The rainbow is called Unicorn Glow Wet n Wild. I'm sure I'm gonna love this because I love Wet n Wild. So yeah, that's gorge. Oh, it's actually really blue. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, look at that's kind of different. It's blue. Wow, that's weird. That was my stomach. Yeah, so you got Wet n Wild, Master-Chrome, and Wet n Wild again. I don't know. But now that I'm looking at all three on my arm, by the way, the hard candy I washed off and it's terrible and don't buy that. That Master-Chrome actually is really pretty, but mine's broken. I don't know why I didn't break anything. I don't know. But the Wet n Wild, definitely keeping those two. Those are good. I don't know about a blue highlight. I don't know if I'm so keen on that, but okay. Here we go, Airspun, here we go. This again is Sun Much Ice, or Snow Much Ice. I'm nervous. I gotta open it. Cause this is not a, this is a, whoa, oh my God, you guys, there's glitter everywhere. So first impression, I like it. I can tell it's gonna be amazing already. Like there's no point. Like there is no point in even, this is gonna be, like I kind of just want to put it on me. Oh my. Girlfriend, yes. Girlfriend, yes. That right there, girlfriend. I'm just gonna, girlfriend, yes, me. Look, yes, me. Ooh, girl. Yeah, that color right there. Wow. Just absolute wow. That is bomb. What do you guys, holy hella moly jolie, that, yes, Tati, you didn't lie on that one. Hard candy though, can't say I'm a fate, like that was bleh. That, you guys, Airspun, oh, look at my, girl, amazing Jesus. But it is all over my iPad keyboard and all over my hands. So, yeah, we are highlighted up. We are highlighted up, but that color was beautiful. Okay, now we are going into the Physicians Formula colors. And like I said, these smell. So So good. Oh, wait. Oh my God. This is just a gift that keeps on giving. They give you a brush under there. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Oh, and it's soft. Oh my God. Wow. What? You guys. Oh my God. Animir, shut your freaking mouth. Wow. This was $12.95. The smell, the whole shebang, like this. I'm just hoping this is such, oh my God. Yes. You guys, yes. Just wait. So I'm just taking the brush and I'm going like this because I don't really know. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. Like, I almost feel like this is my favorite new highlighter. Like, for reals though. Look at that. Are you joking? Like, I'm gonna put this one on my face. I just have to do it. I have to put this on my face. Like, I have to do it. Like, shut your mouth. Yes, girl. Yes. And it smells so good. What the heck? Like, that is just tremendous. You guys, wow. Wow. Yes, you need to have this. Oh my, I just am blown away. You have to get this. Like, you guys, that is amazeballs. What? Like, okay, like, can we? I'm gonna try the pink one, but I'm already like, who invented you? Who are you and why have I been asleep? Like, why? I'm gonna put it down there, but let me just pick up. Like, okay, can we just, okay? Can we just, okay, can we just, okay, okay. This color is a little more pink, and it still has that scent, but are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, are we joking? Are we really joking about it? Are we joking about it? Like, no way. Oh my God. You guys, are you freaking serious? Are you freaking serious on it? What? What? Okay, so what I will tell you, let's go in order from like, because I am obsessed with highlights. I have the Master Chrome, I have the MAC, I have the Tarte, I have every type of highlighter, and like, ooh. So I'm gonna go in order from my drugstore favorites now. We're gonna go with Physicians Formula. Heck to the yes. They have so many other shades that I didn't buy, and I'm glad I bought two because I was like, you're kind of like, they're $12.95, I'll look them up and link it. But you guys, look at that. Great, it smells great. I mean, it's a gift that just keeps on giving. I'm like, okay, cool, it smells nice. What the absolute heck? A brush and a mirror. You need to have these in your collection. I don't even care who you are. Okay, those will be my top out of my pick that I did. Second will be the Airspun loose powder. Like, can we just look at shut your mouth. That is number 2. That was great. You need to have this one as well. These two, yes. Everything else I feel is like pretty much basic, and I don't really care if they were in my collection or not. I will say that number 3 for me is going to be the Wet n Wild. That's right there. And you see it, that strong pink middle. Yeah, for $4.95, yes, I'll keep that one, okay? Now we go into where I'm like, you know what? You should probably retire from the industry. This blue highlight right there, there's 2. There's one there and there's one right here. That blue highlight is going to be the Wet n Wild Unicorn Glow. No, not really feeling it. I don't think I would ever need a blue. It's almost gray blue highlight right there. I don't think I'd ever use this. And I don't remember how much it was. I can see if I did like a blue look, which I don't ever do. But it feels light and cheap, and I'm just not recommending this one at all to you guys. Then I probably have to obviously go with the Master-Holographic. That one is going to be right there by my thumb. You can see it. I had to do a lot of, I did a lot of coats to even get it to show up. And like I said, I didn't do anything to it. You guys, I don't know if you saw me, I opened it and it's literally like falling. And I don't know, like I'm sad about it. I do like it, I'm just sad that it's cheap like that. What was I expecting? But that, and obviously this guy I think can suck a dick. I don't think you can say suck a dick on YouTube. But this can suck. This was terrible, and I don't recommend this at all. This was a piece of crap. Save your money. Save it. No. It sounded like I was playing like a piano. Like, no. Anyways, that was the video of me in my bathroom trying on highlighters. So, I don't know how you guys feel about it. Let me know, comment, subscribe. I don't know. Let me know if you want to do more of this. I'm on an iPad, so this is what it looks like on your phones or on your iPad. I am covered up head to toe like a glitter machine here. But those, you guys, the Physician Formula, #1, I am so impressed. Like, buy it, subscribe. Buy it and subscribe. Buy it and subscribe. Bye.